Hello, everyone, and welcome to Real Thought. My name is Alex Negron, and today we'll be discussing the film Lady Bird. Our antagonist, Christine, a ladybird, and her mother, which plays sort of an agent of disequilibrium, are introduced to us immediately. Christine seems to be dealing with a controlling, critical mother with good intentions, while dreaming of breaking away from her mundane small town life. She seeks adventure and culture and a longing to make her life count. During the first 5 minutes of the film, while Lady Bird and her mother are returning from Lady Bird's grad trip, a disagreement between the two over in-state or out-of-state college paths sets the stage for a disequilibrium. This conflict initiates the first steps in Todorov's narrative theory, while also triggering Lady Bird's first steps to self-discovery and setting in motion her character's arc. Christine, or Lady Bird, a nickname and thinly veiled attempt at hinting at her own life's objectives, flying as high and as far away as she could from her current existence, whose obsession with escaping her life is highlighted in statements like wrong side of the tracks or her idealization of the blue house and the types of people who live in it is one side of our story. Her unhappiness, her lack of gratitude with her existence or the existence that she was born into unfolds as our narrative positioning changes. From what first seemed to be an overbearing mother-daughter relationship to a heartbroken mother doing her best to hold on to her child's innocence in a world where money and influence promise false contentment. These two forces combined prove to be the binary opposition which drive the film's story. After experiencing what she longed to, Lady Bird quickly came to the realization that appearances are often deceptive. Establishing re-equilibrium or new equilibrium in a phone message to her mother in which she apologizes and thanks her, ending the character arc and concluding Toradov's narrative. While it was obvious to the viewer that a lack of life experience was Lady Bird's true hurdle, it was entertaining in a retrospective, walk down memory lane sort of way to watch. To watch what I'm sure most of us were able to recognize at least pieces of our own adolescence in, reflecting the hierarchy of knowledge aspect of what we have went over in this lesson. All right. Hopefully I'll do better next time. Good luck, everyone. Bye.